Are you going?
Yeah.
Oh. This is a paddle. I'm gonna show you guys how to utilize the paddle with your sphere. This will be like your BFF once you figure out how to use it, okay? The paddles are in this cabinet right here. Look it, there's like 2 of these little gray things that say paddles. And there's all different kinds. There's like ones that look like, ping pong mats, and then there's like these ones that like somebody bought, and then there's like, I like these ones that are just like, there's a block of wood. These ones are nice. Maybe I'll make more of these. I have more nicer canvas, so maybe I'll make some canvasy ones. But these were good. Okay, anyway. So here's my sphere. I kind of started to paddle it, but like if you can tell, like it's not perfectly round. Okay, it's kind of janky. It's probably a little less janky than yours, but that's okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our paddle and we're gonna hit it into the shape we want. So I'm gonna go kind of dramatic first. Okay, I want to make it go like really up. Okay, can we tell that's like too much?
Yeah.
Right? I made it go like too up and down. Now what I'm gonna grab is a metal rib. Looks like this, right? Metal rib. I'm gonna take the curvy end with my finger. See how it's bendable? So I can bend it in my hand. You guys see that? Wow, crazy. And I'm gonna push it in. Push the clay with my hand. Push the clay with my tool into my hand. So I keep my hand there and I can tell how hard I'm pushing in with the tool. So this is like, oh, I went too far. Now you're going backwards a little bit, okay? And like, let's say your base wasn't like exactly the way you wanted it. You can use this method to like make it a little more round. Okay, does that look better than it did like 2 seconds ago? Definitely, okay? You can also set it upside down and paddle the bottom, like if your bottom isn't quite right, okay? Now, my top is pretty soft, like this is pretty soft. Is it even? Is the top even? Nah, it's totally fine because we're just gonna add a coil. It doesn't really matter, we're just gonna keep coiling up. It doesn't have to stay flat. We're just gonna keep adding coils, okay? What else? Smooth the inside to like make it wider, push it out a little bit, and use the paddle. You can really, like, don't be afraid, like don't go, like you're not doing anything, like hit it, okay? Like you can really move clay around pretty quick with the paddle. Any questions with the paddle / the metal rib? They'll be your BFFs for this project, okay? The paddle is really good. Really great tool. Any questions before I let you guys go? Your goal today is to get as many coils as you can, okay? Like 2/3 would be amazing today.